Hi, how's everybody now? How you all doing? How you doing? You okay over there? You have like a group around you, or is it just you right now watching? Well, either way, hello, I'm Eddie. I am the person here to everyone there. If they're, you know, your mom, your uncle, your dad, grandpa, all those good people, the friends and everything. Hi, how you doing? Hi, I'm Eddie. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. A handshake, basically, is what I'm doing, or a hug. Let's all hug, group hug here. All good and stuff. That's good. That's good. I just seen a bird fly. I just seen a bird fly. For some reason, I don't know why, but for some reason, I have a really deep urge to destroy this thing right here. I don't know why. I know it's kind of, yeah. To rip it. Come on, look at it. Don't you kind of agree with me? Maybe it's just me. Probably it's just me. Is it just okay? Yeah. I don't know why. I don't know. It's just one of those things. You know, like when you see like a cake, you see a cake on a table and it's sitting there, and then you know like it's at a party or you're wherever you are, and then you know there's people around, but then there's the cake just sitting on the table, and then you kind of do that like that whole Saving Private Ryan thing, right? Where like you know he's in the war, you know, and all of a sudden everything just goes like you know if he closes his ears, everything starts to. You know, he's got bodies exploding all around him and everything, but he doesn't hear anything, and I don't know how or why, but everything's kind of happening kind of in slow motion, but not really, but everything is like muffled and everything, but nothing affects him. Anyways, it's kind of like that, you know, when you're somewhere, and there's people around, but then there's a cake. There's a cake about 5 to 10 feet away on a table. And you can't concentrate on anybody or anything else, because you see, there's a sugary cake. There's a good-looking cake right there, and you're thinking in your mind, you know what? Okay, the conversation is good and everything. Don't get me wrong. I'm really involved in your conversation. Okay, I really am involved in it. I'm soaking everything in. But what I'm soaking in on this side is that right over there, the cake, because the cake is kind of begging for my attention. And your story is good and everything. But if I don't eat that cake, in about 20 minutes from now, it just might be gone. And I can't let that happen. So if you wouldn't mind, please, may I, okay? If you wouldn't mind, I'm just gonna excuse myself, can I? From your story, from your amazing, your triumphant story. I'm gonna do that, if you wouldn't mind, so I can then go devour my cake, well, the cake. While I go devour the cake. I'll go devour the cake, I'll come back, all good and stuff, with the frosting all over my face and everything all good, and then you can continue your story, and then I'm all ears. Or I can eat it while I'm listening, that's good. Because then I'll be eating, and then you'll be talking, and then I'll be like in blissful harmony, enjoying my frosted cake, and I'll be enjoying your you know, I'll have blissful harmony within my mouth on the taste buds, and then I'll have blissful harmony stuff coming from you in my ears. Perfect. It's a perfect match. I think it's a perfect match. Don't you agree? And then at that point, they say, yeah, go ahead, take a slice or two, or the whole thing. Or they'll say, excuse me, what? Rude. I'm telling a story, and you're like not paying attention because you're like over there. You're physically right here, but you're emotionally and psychologically over there at the cake. So you're not really. Have you been listening to me for like the past 15 minutes talk? Because I'm really in depth into this conversation now, and I have a feeling you're not. And at that point, I'm like, well, you know what? I'm involved in it. I'm there, but just don't ask me any questions about it. You know, don't ask me questions, because if you ask me questions about it, then that's where you're gonna lose me, because like I'm listening to it, I just can't. I want the cake. I want the cake, I'm not gonna lie. It's begging for me, it's looking at me on the table and it's saying, Eddie, eat me, Eddie. Eddie, I want you to eat me. Eddie, come and grab me, Eddie, put me on a plate and eat me, Eddie. I want to be eaten by you, Eddie. That's what it's saying. So I mean, I have to listen to the cake. How do you deny a cake? You can't deny a cake. So, that's it. You know what, look, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna buy one of those little Hostess, you know, those little Hostess cupcake things that have the little, you know, little swirls on, you know what those guys, those things right there. I'm gonna go get one of those because I am now craving chocolate, that cream filling. Wow. Okay. I need to go because I'm about to bust a Homer Simpson. I'm gonna drool on camera. So I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna go now, and I'm gonna satisfy the need of my taste buds. I'm gonna satisfy those with the cupcakes. And take them and shove them in my mouth, you know, like that. Just shove them, all good and enjoy it. But thank you so much for watching. Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, right there. Thank you. I take it, I swallow it, and I keep it right here. Thank you so much. It's cherished. Your view, therefore, is cherished. Thank you so much. Now let's go out together, and I'm gonna go get a cupcake, and you go get a cupcake too. Okay? There we go. Cupcake time. Let's do this. All right. Bye bye. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye. Love me tender, love me dear. Ain't nothing but a hound dog crying all the time. Boom, 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 boom. Billie Jean is not my lover. She's just a girl who thinks that I